So a bit of an update on the 1982 YZ50. I've put the head, piston, exhaust tank on the other bike that had the better wheels and swing arm and frame. After trying to start it, I could only get it to idle. It wouldn't even rev out. I thought it must be the crank seal, so I've opened up the case. As you can see, the oil has got a bit of fuel in it mixed in. It's made it go white. But if you have a look where the crank is, you can see that the rubber seals come out and you can see the crank bearing just under it. So as I've been able to give compression, I sucked new fuel in. I'll just put in fuel down the spark plug to get it to start, to get it to this stage. So this will be my next job now. While I've got the side cover off, the clutches stuck, so I'll get all the plates loose again. Push the seal back in, hopefully it will stay in, and then we'll see how it goes later. Give it another start. So I've got the YZ50 ready to try and start again. So as you can see from before, the crank seal was popped out, so I've now put that in, cleaned all the oil out as best I could and filled it with new oil. Put the gear lever on so I can see if the gears change, and I've made the clutch work again now by cleaning the plates and putting all that back together. So I'm just about ready to start it. Once I know it runs alright, I'll then give it a bit of a clean up. I've got some plastics ordered, the seat cover's coming. I want to pull it apart, make it look better for the frame as well. So it seems to run pretty good. I just started it to about 10 kicks, just warming it up. So the bottom end on this one was a lot tighter than the old one. The other one, the crank was actually moving. Idle's alright anyway. I'll put the phone down somewhere and I'll take it for a spin around the backyard and see if the gears will work. Actually, I might do that now. Back down. Back to neutral. I was running a bit rich, but the exhaust had a fair bit of gunk in it. Got a nice crackle to it. I'll put the phone down, take it for a drive.
think I might need a bit of jetting. I couldn't get in the power band. If I had a bit of run, or longer run, I probably could. Probably had a fair bit of oil from sucking from the engine, from the crank seal. It's burning off still. Sounds pretty crisp though. I've actually got the pilot jet round out about 3 times, so it's probably getting to the point where I need a smaller pilot jet. So like it's nearly running out of fuel. I'll actually run, so next few videos you'll actually see her looking like a new one again. Thanks for watching again. Hope you enjoyed the race around the backyard.